Hi, it's Sam Mannah from Child Restraints. Yes, I'm down at Brookvale. They actually let me through. I'm here with my mate Rob. Can't show you his face, but actually I'm going to. This is Rob from Baby Safe. Here's Rob here, and we're down here. He's working on a 2024 Toyota Hi-Ace. This is the high-top Hi-Ace van, and he's putting in a front swivel seat for the campers. Rob, tell me, what are you doing?
So twin swivel bases on the front, and then we're doing a handbrake relocation.
Handbrake relocation.
We move the handbrake to the middle so the front driver's seat can swivel without interruption.
Well, this guy's the master of it. So if you've got a camper and you need the front seat altered a bit so you can swivel it, is it just only in the Toyotas or most vans there, Rob?
It depends on the handbrake setup. Yeah, Toyota's pretty straightforward. Some of the other ones are a little bit tricky.
Okay, great. Okay, we're going to show you inside the van what it looks like and what he's already done. Okay, the first thing we're going to establish is take out the front seat, as Rob's already done. So there's a couple of things that you got to think about when we're doing these things. One with the handbrake location. So Rob's already taken out the actual front seat there, and as you can see, this is where the handbrake. So the handbrake's actually got to move. Which direction, Rob?
Towards the centre of the vehicle.
So towards more to the centre of the vehicle. So they've got brackets designed for all that, but that's got to be relocated. So as you can see, he's getting ready to put the base in. So I can't wait to know what that looks like when he get that in. We are using the genuine seat, and that's the seat that's come out. So we've got to take the base, the original base off that, the tracks off that, so it'll fit on the actual swivel base. So I'm quite excited about what it's going to look like when it's all done. Stay tuned. So here we go, it's Rob working on it. He's taking the base off. That's the original base on the floor there. And so there's Rob now putting the base, which is a swivel base that's going on there. So it's only 4 bolts that hold it in.
Yep.
It's very technical. We've got to make sure it's done by an authorised fitter. Otherwise, things can go wrong, and you don't want things to go wrong, because when you drive, you don't want to end up your seat coming loose. So make sure you get an authorised dealer that actually deals with this. Oh, by the way, also I would like to mention the console, that does not go back in. That's done and dusted. Otherwise, you can't swivel your seat. So anyway, here's Rob bottling it all in. So come on, Rob, hurry up. Let's get this moving, mate. Let's get this moving. Okay, we're up to the part, putting the seat in. And as you can see, it's already facing out the back, the front. But there's Rob. G'day, Rob.
G'day, mate.
What are we doing now, mate?
So just testing up the bolts. We've just set the seat in. So we're just bolting it up and just torquing the seat up.
Getting it ready to place the handbrake. So let me show you the progression of the handbrake. Well, Rob's already removed the handbrake. So this has to move around about 270 millimeters to the center there, but you get to re-drill out and re-bolt up the actual handbrake positioning. So this is good. I'm having a look from back here, so great idea for a camper with the swivel seat. Well, Rob's going to give us a demo on how this actually works. So that's in the furthest point position. So you've got to slide the seat forward. There's a lever in the front that Rob's pulling up and allowing it to turn. How good's this? All the way around. Now it locks in the position.
It stays free.
Oh, it stays free then?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we slide back as far as you like.
And Rob, can they do this while they're driving?
Absolutely not.
Okay, just thought we would just mention that. So
there'll be safety labels on the side of the seat stating
it
can only be used when stationary.
Very good, and that's what you had. So it's pulled all the way back. So when you're driving, it'll lock in the position. You want to put that in the lock position for us, Rob? Pull forward, spins around. Fantastic.
Hear it click.
And there's a click. That's locked in. Back in the position, and that's how you will travel. Very good, Rob. Woo. Yeah, Rob, so what are we doing now, mate?
So driver's seat's going in.
Okay, so driver's got a swivel seat. So both seats are swiveling, so people know exactly what you're doing here, mate.
We've removed the handbrake, so handbrake is out. We're positioning the driver's seat so then we can get the seat swiveling to work out where we're going to locate that handbrake.
Awesome.
So it's not going to interfere when both seats swivel.
That'll be somewhere in the centre there. Spot on. Assembly of the handbrake. It's been moved over. Rob's finalising it, screwing it all in. Okay, so what you've just seen is with Rob from Baby Safe fitting in the actual the seats, the swivel seats for a Toyota, and this is quite popular when it comes to the camper vans. So if you're in the running having a camper vans and you need swivel seats for the front seats, well, watch the video again and know that it's all doable. that's Rob in the back, finishing the last bit of it. Anyway, I'm Sam. I'll catch you on the next video. Hope this has all been helpful.